Hello guys and welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Roblox ban history. The first step is to open your Roblox application. Then click on your profile menu right here. Once you've done that, scroll all the way down and select Help and Safety. After clicking on that, go to Violations and Appeals. If your account has ever been banned in the past, it will be displayed right here. As you can see, I don't have any violations, and my account has never been banned. If you have been banned and want to appeal, you can do so by clicking on Support. Once you're there, fill in all the required details and describe your issue clearly. After that, just hit Continue, and Roblox will review your case and get back to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this. Thanks for watching.